Hello everybody, thanks for checking out my video. Got to show you some scratches that got into my car. I just rinsed it off today. Just quick rinse off. Didn't no soap or nothing. Just rinsed it off. I wanted to see how bad the scratches were. A piece of metal flashing about 12 foot long fell off a roof and hit my car. And of course, I'm not happy. But it was laying right here, jammed underneath the car, and here's the first scratch right there. It shows up. I'm pretty sure I can get it out with a buffer. I felt a little bit of drag right there, tiny bit. Then got my B pillars there and there. That's going to be replaced. Can't be fixed other than replacing it. And there you can see them. I can see them on the screen right there, there, and I don't think you'll be able to see that one. It does show up a little bit. Get rid of them freaking water spots. I'll put some soap on it and finish it up. But hoping I can get everything out with a buffer. I'm gonna go from mild to wild. If I gotta use my rotary, I will, but hopefully I won't have to. Of course, the guy who owns the house knows nothing. He won't pay for it. But did do the wheels, tires. I'm gonna finish. I'm gonna wash it up tomorrow. Hopefully, them water spots won't. I'm gonna go for rides, so maybe they'll go. But there you have it. There is gonna be a video about this, whenever I choose to fix it. And I'll show how I do it. So that's about it. All my excitement. Oh, hey, thanks for watching. Have a good one.